Hello, everyone. My name is. I'm from Team Home Nightingale. So let's meet David, who's admitted to the hospital with COVID-19. He's alone and scared with no family to provide support. So how is David going to be educated for his care while in the hospital and post-discharge? This scenario is not uncommon and very much a current problem, with 25% of inpatient cases COVID-19 related, and the poor communication leads to the 9% of hospital readmissions and the rise of community and family transmissions. Our solution is Home Nightingale, a comprehensive one-stop technology-enabled service that provides the families and the patients with synchronous and asynchronous communication with clinicians, families, and the patient. And it can be used on a handheld device or screen in the patient's room to provide daily updates, education and discharge planning related to home care, medication reconciliation, and referrals and follow-up services. And this service is available for the entire hospital length of stay. And upon admission, Home Nightingale will work with the healthcare facility to identify their primary caregiver and ensure they have access to technology and devices and orient them to virtual rounding, which will be coordinated on a scheduled basis. And with these sessions recorded, family members that couldn't join in on one session can access the updates anywhere at their own convenience, keeping providers on schedule with rounding and saving time for everyone. To account for the fact that not all patients have the same digital dexterity, we accommodate for other modalities of disseminating information by either providing pamphlets or mailing them. With Home Nightingale, our service is founded on a strong workflow-driven process that has the ability for conference scheduling and health data collection to be customized, integrated into EMRs, and optimized by facility, unit, and patient. Compared to current products out on the market, our service is an all-in-one HIPAA-compliant platform with a core focus on patient-centered education and prioritizes family accessibility and connectivity that is low in costs. And with closing of rural hospitals and decreased number of home health providers, our service matches the increased demand of bringing health to the home. Our go-to market strategy aims to test our service with a use case study on post-discharge care for 4 weeks to be piloted at a community hospital and implemented on Go Live. Some anticipated risks that we're looking for is connectivity issues, lack of personal devices, language barriers, and a couple of more things. But at the end of the day, Home Nightingale aims to increase health literacy and patient satisfaction while decreasing PPE utilization and hospital readmissions. And this is our team of diverse professionals and clinicians, where we have nurses, engineers, physicians, and business administrators. Thank you for listening, and thank you to all the judges and mentors for all the support, and we will now open the floor to any questions.